No product is born out of thin air. We just pay more attention to it than others. When all companies are looking for more sales, we choose to focus on product because we believe that everything is from the product itself. We follow the aesthetic principles. Design a product that can understand the people's body language. It should be more intelligent and more environmental friendly. So here, Midea. Industrial design is the communicational bridge between products and consumers. We pay attention to every detail. We have a comprehensive and automatic production process.
品質は良くしたいなら心意気、思い、熱情がないといけない。これがなければ品質は向上改善できない。今年度のウーフ工場の中級水活動では不良削減目標は 50% 以上を宣言し推進している。8月までに計26のグループが目標を達成した。
We have the most advanced research laboratory in the water heater industry. The lab meets the requirement of Chinese, European, and other standards. In the lab, the different environment can be simulated. We are committed to providing the most advanced and intelligent water heater for users all over the world. Each perfect component is not only crafted workmanship, but also the result of having insight into the needs of users and caring more about the user's experience. Moreover, the research and development of innovative technologies is our priority. We have over 4.5 million square meters warehouse with 160 operation sites and more than 10,000 vehicles. The logistics platform ensures dynamic allocation of resources and flexibility to meet customer demand of logistics. Midea water heater can be found in almost every family all over China. So far, Midea water heater, as a member of Midea Group, has moved to overseas market. In the future, we will create more possibilities for consumers. Under the internationalization strategy, we are committed to maximizing the value. Everything is for the better products and to supply more advanced water heaters to families all over the world. More advanced water heaters for people to create a better life. Midea.